Ashley are wearing it all on its own. It's a sleeveless mock neck top. It's done in Dennis's Italia Knit, which is so luxurious. I layered the mock neck top beneath a sweater, cardigan sweater that we had a little earlier in the show from Belle by Kim Gravel. And I say this all the time. All of our brands play nicely together. So you can layer your Dennis Basso and your Belle by Kim Gravel and love it. So this is clearance priced as well. Clearance sale priced at $35.99. That's about $18 off. And it's a $7.20 easy pay. Mary, he's done these in a lot of great colors, and this is one of those where I would say if you think you want more than one color, get it with the clearance sale price today. So we have the white that I'm wearing. We're calling this winter white. So it's a little bit softer, a little bit creamier than a stark optic white. We have about 650 in that color. Then we have the color chestnut. Look at this beautiful brown, and you know browns are all the rage for 2025. We have 400 in that color.
That would look great with the white jeans.
This is the color navy, and so this is what Ashley was wearing with her white jeans. We have 200 to go around, and look at how, I mean, that's a rich navy blue, not deep enough, but not so deep you mistake it for black. This is Emerald City.
My favorite.
The green, we have about 150 in this color, and then this is your deep wine. Look at that. And you can see how beautifully this fabric takes the color. We have just a few dozen if you want it in the deep wine. We have 3X and 5X remaining. That's what's left. And then here's black, which is what Mary is wearing with her black jeans. So if you want it in the black, yeah, can't go wrong there. I'm going to put the chestnut in front because I think that color will show nicely. And Mary, let's talk about Italia Knit from Dennis.
Italia Knit is a bestseller. It is so popular because it is comfortable, it is practical, it is silky, flattering, no clinging. You know, sometimes you wear a sleeveless tank and you're uncomfortable. There's no clinging. I love the way he did the tunic style, but I have to shout out that mock neck. Leah, when I walked into the building and saw you on the camera, just the way it popped out of your cardigan, it just makes such a statement. A mock neck is such a classic, sophisticated, very easy way to just change your outfit the way Leah has it. But that Italia Knit is so silky, so soft. What he did everything about this, from the tunic, from the coverage, you don't have to worry about your bra when you wear this, but that fabrication just feels so good against the skin.
We can, the reason I put the lighter color in front is to kind of show when we go in closely, you can really see, again, the texture of that knit. And you're right, what that means is it just glides over the body, and there's a substance enough to it that it doesn't cling where you don't want it to, that mock neck is easy to pull over your head. And then as you were showing, it's got that nice slit at the side that gives you just an easy release and just a little bit of a flare there. So at tunic length, you want that.
It just flows. I love that, an easy release. But what's so nice about the Italian Knit is I have it out, but you can absolutely tuck this in. It's not going to wrinkle, it's going to travel well, but this is a beautiful silhouette for all figures. I love the coverage of it, but again, that's why this is so popular, because of all the boxes it checks. It has that classic mock neck, the perfect tank style that you're going to layer under your blazer, your cardigan the way Leah has it, or you're going to wear it alone. It is that perfect weight that's all year fabrication. Again, when I walked in the building, and I love a mock neck, the way it pops out. It's just so chic.
It's nice, I think, because for a lot of us, we like a mock neck because it doesn't feel maybe as high or even as restricting as maybe a turtleneck does. And then the fact that it's done in the Italia Knit means now, you know, I've got a microphone on mine, yours won't have that, but it's soft, so there's a subtle drape to it, and then again, that it's tunic length, so you've got plenty of coverage, but as you mentioned, Mary, soft enough if you wanted to tuck it in or do a front tuck, or especially with the slits, always make doing those kind of unique tucks easier if you've got a little slit there to work with. So over 500 of these have been ordered. On its own, it looks fantastic as you see it there on Ashley, and you can see that subtle flare, the slits at the side. The arm opening is not so deep that you feel like, oh, my bra straps are showing. These are all things that you would expect from a designer of Dennis's caliber, and that's what you have. even in these sort of core essential staples, because that's what this is. This is one of those staple pieces you want in your collection.
Exactly. It's the building block. It's that piece you're constantly going to grab. That's what Dennis gives us. He gives us the quality, but he gives us practical pieces. You know, I can't tell you how many times you're putting on that blazer. You don't want to put on just that uncomfortable tank top. You put this under your blazer, under your cardigan. You're going to look chic, put together, but you're going to be comfortable. But then you see Ashley with the pair of denim jeans that we just had on, that she just looks so effortless. The way it just moves and flows. It's very classy, but it's not clingy. That's why I love it, and I think that's why it's so popular, the Italia Knit.
So when you see a clearance sale price, that also means that this popular top is down to the last of our inventory. And once it's gone, we won't have more coming back. So this is your opportunity to get it at about 30% off of its regular price. The easy pay here is $7.20. The color you see up front, this is chestnut. We have about 250 in that color, really pretty soft brown. And this is year round. You're gonna wear it, you know, layered if you want to, on its own if you want to, but this is a year round fabrication. This is the color Emerald City. If you'd like the green, there are 6 dozen remaining. Medium through 2X is what we have in Emerald City. This is deep wine. We're down to 2 dozen left. 3X and 5X is what remains in that color. Here is the navy that you saw on Ashley. 100 left. 1X through 3X is what we have left there. And by the way, Ashley 5'7", just in terms of tunic length on her. And then this is the winter white that I've been wearing. We have about 550 to go around here, and winter white is that soft creamy white. And then if you want what Mary, our guest, has been wearing, that's been the most popular. There's your black. And black, do we have in all sizes? We do. Okay, so we're in good shape with black in all sizes. So that's a good place to try Italia Knit.
All right.
And also a great staple in your wardrobe. So let us know if you'd like it. 626-278. Mary,
Thanks,
you.
Leah.
Good
Have a
to
great
see
day.
you. All right. Oh, the bag